This is the Conductors and Insulators exhibit. On a covered shelf are 6 mounted items with varying materials. This exhibit will help us experiment with different materials and see if they are conductive or not. On top of the mounted materials are light bulbs. The bulbs are connected with a wire to the materials so that they form a simple series circuit. Mounted below each item is a switch to let you verify the insulation or conduction properties of each item. If the bulb lights up, the item is a conductor. If it doesn't light up, the item is an insulator. Notice the first item to the left. What is the item? Yes, it is a pencil. Its graphite lead is connected to the terminals. Is it a conductor or an insulator? Oh, the bulb lit up. The graphite lead in the pencil is a conductor. Now, let's try the second item. This item is a rubber ball. Is it a conductor or an insulator? Oh, the bulb does not light up. The rubber ball is an insulator. Now, let's try the third item. This item is an aluminum can. Is it a conductor or an insulator? Oh, the bulb lit up. The aluminum can is a conductor. How about the fourth item? It is a plastic ruler. Is it a conductor or an insulator? Oh, the bulb does not light up. The plastic ruler is an insulator. Next, the fifth item. It is a steel spoon. Is it a conductor or an insulator? Oh, the bulb lit up. The steel spoon is a conductor. And now, the last item, which is a glass bottle. Is it a conductor or an insulator? Oh, the bulb does not light up. The glass bottle is an insulator. Electricity or electric current is the uniform motion of electrons. Just like water flowing through a pipe, electrons are able to move within the empty space, within and between atoms of conductive materials. Conductors are materials that allow the flow of electricity. They conduct electricity because they allow electrons to flow easily inside them, from atom to atom. In conductors, the outermost electrons in their atoms are loosely bound. These electrons are free to leave their respective atoms and move around the spaces of nearby atoms. These electrons are called free electrons. These free electrons on conductors are what allow electric current to pass through easily. Insulators, on the other hand, resist the flow of electricity. Their electrons have little freedom to move around. The relative mobility of electrons within a material is known as electrical conductivity. Materials with high electron mobility or many free electrons are called conductors, while materials with low electron mobility or few or no free electrons are called insulators. Not all conductors have the same conductivity. Some are better than others. Most metals are good conductors. Examples are gold, silver, and copper. The earth, animals, and water are conductors of electricity. The human body, which is mostly composed of water, is also a conductor of electricity. This is why we get electric shocks. Insulators can provide protection from electric current. Examples of insulators are glass, rubber, and plastics. Classifying materials as insulators and conductors help engineers use the best materials for designing devices that use electricity. If a material is a conductor, then it can be better used to route electricity from place to place. If a material is an insulator, then it can be better used as material to shield electricity from unwanted contact with other conductors. The foundation of electronics in our devices like transistors, diodes, capacitors, and microchips are based on the knowledge of the conductive and insulative properties of many materials.